Enterprises is one of the 10 largest trucking companies in the U.S. As of 2020, Werner has over 8,000 vehicles in its fleet and 10,000 professional drivers. With millions of miles traveled every year, Werner trucks end up in a lot of accidents. Between April 2018 and April 2020, Werner truck drivers were involved in 25 fatal accidents and 291 accidents that resulted in serious injury. Werner was founded in 1956 by Clarence Werner. He started the business with a single truck at the age of 19. Today, Werner has a good reputation within the trucking industry. Werner tends to hire more experienced drivers and pays its drivers more compared to other companies. Accident cases against big trucking companies like Werner have a higher average settlement value than normal auto accident cases. There are several reasons for this. First, Werner trucks are bigger and heavier than regular vehicles, so they cause more damage in accidents. As a result, Werner claims adjusters are used to dealing with larger dollar amounts. The second reason Werner accident claims have a higher value is that big trucking companies do not get the benefit of jury sympathy when a case goes to trial. In a normal auto case, juries are sometimes reluctant to award large dollar amounts because they have sympathy for the at-fault driver. This doesn't apply when the defendant is a national trucking company like Werner, so juries tend to award more damages. If you have an accident case against Werner, hiring a good truck accident lawyer is critical. Truck accident cases are more difficult and complex than normal auto cases. An experienced truck accident lawyer can access certain data and information such as black box data and driver safety records. These can be valuable weapons in litigation if your lawyer knows how to access them and use them effectively. Miller & Zois has a track record of success in big truck accident cases. We are based in Maryland, but we handle truck accident cases involving serious injuries and death all over the country. We have recovered millions on behalf of clients in truck accident cases. If you have a potential case against Werner Enterprises, call us today for a free consultation.